you should go to Yes Camp. Because at Yes Camp, at Campfire, when I am there, we sing this amazing dedication to the world of the magic of Mother Nature and her country. This is a repeat after me song. And so I will sing a line and you will sing it back. But it is also a song with motions. And so therefore, if you are able to stand and do the motions with me, then please stand up and do the motions with me. If not, please do them from your chair because this is like way too much fun to not do. All right.
Mic it up.
Mic.
A little bit.
All right. Mic it up.
Here comes the mic.
You can use a stand.
This is going to be fun.
You can use a stand if you want, right behind you.
All right. Mother Nature loves her tall trees.
Mother Nature loves her tall trees.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Mother Nature loves her boulders.
Mother Nature loves her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall
I'm
trees.
loving the energy, but can I get any more? I know you've had a lot of wine already, so come on, give it to me. Mother Nature loves her squirrels.
Mother Nature loves her squirrels.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her squirrels.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her squirrels.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Mother Nature loves her yes campers. Nature loves her yes
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah,
her yes campers.
ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her yes campers.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her boulders.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her squirrels.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her squirrels.
Ooh, chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Chee-chee-wah-wah, her tall trees.
Yeah, give it up, thank you.
Wow, I'm really impressed. Caleb, I'm really impressed. Is there anything else you'd like to share?